Hello, everybody. This is Miss Nancy from the Clearview Library District, and I am here to do story time and a craft with you today. Okay? Remember that we have story time and a craft every Tuesday morning at 10 o'clock. You can pick up your kit anytime the week before the program is aired. You can also watch the program again anytime you would like to. So if you aren't able to get a kit, just look in the calendar and it'll tell you what you need to get at home. You probably have most of the stuff at home to be able to make our crafts, and you can just join us when you're ready to do that, okay? Okay, well, today we're going to start with our hello song like we always do. So let's go through those signs so we all remember, okay? So it's more, and together, and happier, and then we have your, and my, and then we have friends. So we have two little friends, and they give each other a hug. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Let's do it again. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Okay, well, welcome to Story Time. Today we are going to do frog stories, if you didn't figure that out. And our book today is called I Don't Want to Be a Frog. And it's written by Deb Petty and illustrated by Mike Bolt. And this is one of my favorite stories. Try to have you see the illustrations. Oh, look at this. That's in the end papers of our book. Okay. I don't want to be a frog. Whoops. Let's try it this way. I want to be a cat. You can't be a cat. Why not? Because you are a frog. I don't like being a frog. It's too wet. Well, you cannot be a cat. I want to be a rabbit. You cannot be a rabbit. Why not? Look, I can hop. What do you think he wants to be next? Sure, where are your long ears? Besides, what's wrong with being a frog? I don't like being a frog. It's too slimy. That may be, but you cannot be a rabbit. I want to be a pig. You can't be a pig. Why not? Most of all because you are a frog, and also because you don't have a curly tail or eat garbage. I can eat garbage. Everyone says that until they eat garbage. Sorry, you can't be a pig. I want to be an owl. Of course you want to be an owl. Being an owl is the greatest thing ever. Boy, would you love being an owl. So, can I be an owl then? Is he going to be an owl? No, of course not. Why not? You don't have wings. You don't look wise. You can't turn your head all the way around. And finally, you are a frog. What's wrong with being a frog, anyway? Too much bug eating. I see. But still, no being an owl for you. Why so glum? I don't want to be a frog. What do you want to be then? Who's talking? Not a frog. I want to be a cat or a rabbit or a pig or an owl. Something cute and warm. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I love eating cats. I love eating rabbits and pigs and owls too. And I am pretty hungry. I might just go and gobble some up right now. That's terrible. It's who I am. But guess the one thing that I never eat. What do you think he never eats? What do you guess? Badgers? No, I eat badgers. I eat lots of badgers. Frogs? Bingo. Why don't you eat frogs? Because they are too wet and slimy and full of bugs. Oh, so it's good to be a frog? Yep. I guess you can't fight nature. We are what we are. You are a fierce hunter. And you are a wet, slimy, bug-eating, very lucky frog. You should just be happy that you are not a fly. What's wrong with being a fly? There go those other animals. And that was, I don't want to be a frog. Okay, so we're going to do our goodbye song like we always do, but we're not really saying goodbye because we are going to do our craft together, okay? Whoops, we don't want to do our goodbye song yet. Sorry, we're going to do our frog song first. Sorry about that. Croak, croak went the little green frog one day. Croak, croak went the little green frog. Croak, croak went the little green frog one day. And they all went slurp, slurp, slurp. But you know frogs go la-ti-da-di-da, la-ti-da-di-da, la-ti-da-di-da. You know frogs go la-ti-da-di-da. They don't go slurp, slurp, slurp. Let's sing it one more time, okay? Croak, croak went the little green frog one day. Croak, croak went the little green frog. Croak, croak went the little green frog one day. And their tongues went slurp, slurp, slurp. But we know frogs go la-ti-da-di-da, la-ti-da-di-da, la-ti-da-di-da. We know frogs go la-ti-da-di-da. Their tongues don't go slurp, slurp, slurp. Okay, and after you make your craft today, you can do our little rhyme with your puppet, okay? Okay, now I think it's okay if we do our goodbye song and then we'll make our craft, okay? And I think you probably remember it. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as slow as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as fast as we can. Goodbye. Bye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as high as we can. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as low as we can. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as quiet as we can. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as loud as we can. Goodbye! It was good to see you. Bye! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as nice as we can. Goodbye, everybody. It was good to see you today. I'm looking forward to when I get to see you all in person. But until then, we're going to have a good time with our story time virtually. Okay? Stay healthy. Stay happy. Have a good week. Okay? Okay. So let's look at our kit for today. Came in a bag like this. Okay? And inside, there's always one of these. It says snap a pic. And caregivers, we love it if you take pictures of your kids interacting during the story time or doing their craft or both. Put it on your social media and tag us, Clearview Library. Or if you want to, you can send them to me, Nancy at clearviewlibrary.org, and I can post them on social media for you. We love, love, love having pictures of the kids doing fun things to show the rest of the public. And we love seeing your pictures just because we don't get to see you in person, and it's really wonderful. I got some really cute pictures today. Not today, this week. And it's just really fun to see you. So thank you for those. Okay, that's snap a pic. Okay, now obviously I already put my frog together because I wanted to use it during our rhyme. So the first thing you have is a sack. Okay, and then you had two big pieces, not big, one really big piece of green paper, and then one rectangle right here. And then you had two long pieces that had the two front feet drawn on them. So I started out by gluing this piece of paper onto the bag. Now make sure you have the frog's head so that it can open its mouth, okay? If you do it on the back side, it can't open its mouth at all, okay? Then you can glue on this rectangle for the head. And then you can get your scissors and cut out those front hands, legs, whatever they are on a frog. I guess they're legs, aren't they? And I glued them to the back. Okay? Took a minute for that glue to dry too. Don't know why. Maybe I used too much. Then you're going to find all the circles. Now make sure you look clear into the bottom of that bag because I found one of my green circles stuck underneath one of the tabs. So make sure you have 2 green circles, 2 white circles, and 2 googly eyes, okay? And you can glue them on like that. You can make them go sideways or whatever you think. You can put them farther down or stick them further up. I wanted mine to look kind of buggy, so I stuck them a little over the top, okay? Now the tongue is really fun, and you have that red tongue piece, but if you, I'm going to try to show you how to do this, have a pen or a pencil, and you wrap that tongue around it. See how I'm coiling that up like that? And just leave it that way a minute. When you let go, that tongue is going to curl, and a curly tongue is much better to catch flies with. Okay, so you can curl your tongue that way, and then make sure you glue it to the top part of the flap so that when you move your hand inside the puppet, that tongue will move. Okay, so that's your puppet today. Have fun making it. Have fun playing with it too. I love it when I have crafts to share with you that are things that you can play with after story time too. You could do a little puppet show over the top of your computer or whatever you think. But have fun with your puppet, and we will see you in another week, okay? Okay, take care. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.